Hey there, y'all. I'm Liz with Simply Delicious Baking. In this video, we are going to make apple cobbler. This is an easy apple cobbler recipe. It's a quick apple cobbler recipe, and most of all, it is foolproof. This dessert is amazing. It is perfect for fall. It's juicy, fresh, cinnamon spiced apples topped with a sweet, buttery, crusty topping. That is personally my favorite part of the cobbler. Now, I guarantee this is going to provide fall comfort and fall goodness in every bite. So let's bake some up. To make this apple cobbler, you will need 6 to 8 apples, diced in bite-sized pieces, 2/3 cup brown sugar, 1 1/2 teaspoons cinnamon, 3/4 cup butter at room temperature, 1 1/4 cup sugar, 1 1/2 cups, plus 2 tablespoons of self-rising flour. To make this recipe, we will start off by preheating our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, grease a 9x13 baking dish or spray it with baking spray. Then, in a medium to large mixing bowl, combine your 6 to 8 diced apples, 2/3 cup brown sugar, and a 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon. Mix this until it's well incorporated and set it aside. Then, in a large mixing bowl, combine 3/4 cup butter, 1 1/4 cup sugar, and 1 1/2 plus 2 tablespoons self-rising flour. Mix this until it is crumbly. Then, add the apple mixture to the 9x13 baking dish. Then, spoon your flour, butter, sugar mixture over the top of the apples. Make sure you spoon it over the apples evenly. Next, bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 60 minutes or until it's golden brown. Then, let it cool, or you can just dig in. Have mercy, this is so good. Folks, this is a heavenly fall flavored dessert. And I made this without baking a sweat. It was a breeze to make. I don't care if you're a lazy baker, if you're a procrastinator baker, if you're an average baker, or if you're a great baker. I don't care if you're a pioneer woman. This is a win for you to bake this fall. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, share this video, and happy baking.